like broccoli? Well, your hand's in the way.
Catch it, Daddy, before it falls.
Michael, you're supposed to wipe her mouth.
Yay, she likes broccoli.
Come here. Hey, Mama. Mama. Look at that.
Okay.
Here comes the broccoli plane. Oh, let go of the spoon. Whoa. What? Hey, you're spitting broccoli everywhere.